Hi, my name is Satish Alvarthi, working as assistant professor in mechanical department in Guntur Engineering College. Today, I will explain about heat transfer and point function and path function. The both work transfer and heat transfer are path functions. I have to prove the work and heat transfer is a path function. Before discuss about, you have to know the what is path function and what is point function. Path function. If you take a pressure versus volume diagram and you have take a three process, one is A, second one is B, and third one is the C. These three process starts from initial state is 1 and ends with state is 2. The area under the curve is a function of the path of the process. Such quantities are called a path function. The area under the curve is a function of the path of the process. Such quantities are called path functions. What is point function? When two properties locate a point on the graph, then those properties are called point functions. Those properties are called point functions. All thermodynamic properties are called point functions. Path functions examples are work and heat transfer. Let us discuss about heat transfer as a path function. Heat transfer is also called as a path function. It's depend on the path of the system follows. It does not depends on the end states. So the dq is inexact differential area under TS diagram. Let us here consider the temperature versus entropy diagram, and the process is starts from 1 to 2. Initial state is the 1, final state is the 2. The process A and B, the end states are same but the paths are different, so that heat transfer is in two process, that is A and B are different. So work transfer is a W1 to 2 and heat transfer is Q1 to 2. Here work is denoted by W and heat is denoted by Q, and S is denoted by S indicates the entropy and ds indicates the change in entropy. Path functions have a inexact differentials designated by the symbols here shown in delta Q, delta W respectively. Point functions and path function. There are certain quantities which cannot be located on the graph by a point but are given by a area. With reference, it is possible to take a system from state 1 to state 2 along many quasi-static paths such as A, B and C. These are three processes. Since the area under each curve represent the work for each process, the amount of work involved in each cases is not a function of the end states of the process. Two states of here heat transfer and work transfer is called as a path functions. These are the inexact differential. Okay. Thank you so much.